Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in East Godavari district, which includes Kakinada and as well as Rajahmundry locations. So let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for Junior Relationship Executive position from Muthoot Finance. It is for Kakinada location. So coming to qualification details, freshers or experienced graduates or postgraduates in any discipline are eligible for this position. So inclination towards sales and marketing to develop their career in financial industry, and the candidate must possess good written and verbal communication and fair knowledge in computers. So these are the required qualification details. You please go through it once. Coming to job description, canvassing and sourcing of new customers to increase gold loan business, gold appraisal, revenue generations through cross-selling products and interest collection. Maintain good relationship with clients so that the business can maximize the value of those relationships. Customer relationship and follow-up, maintenance of important registers and daily reports, cash management and accounting. So this is about the job description. So for more detailed information, you can check in the official website link, and you can also apply through the official website link provided here, and you'll get a more detailed information like responsibilities and roles and responsibilities and salary details and all you'll get in the official website link. You can please go through it once. Next, there is a job opening for probationary officer position from Muthoot Finance. It is for Kakinada location, Andhra Pradesh. So coming to required qualification details, you should have done MBA or MCOM from a reputed college with MBA in marketing and finance. So they are preferring for 2018 or 2019 passed out candidates also. The candidate should be having good communication skills and understanding of local language. Fluency of English will be added advantage. And you should be having good analytical skills, ability to probe customers' business models, and good interpersonal skills should effectively manage the peers and customers. So you can also check with the job description provided here, same like before vacancy. So you can check here. So coming to note here, the job is transferable, hence male candidates are preferable for this position. So here they are preferring for male candidates for this position. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can check in the official website link, and you can also apply through the link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for Project Finance Administrator position from Brunel. It is for Kakinada location. So, coming to education qualification details, you should have done bachelor's degree and more qualified in finance for commercial. So, you can check with this here. Coming to roles and responsibilities, Project Finance Administrator. So, this is the job role. For this job role, you should be having minimum 3 to 5 years of experience, and you should be having background in finance, resource based in Kakinada for end-to-end billing and cash collection support, billing documentation preparation and printing, liaison with the customer and the consortium, visiting customer office for open points closure, and submission of billing reports to customer or HQ. So these are the job responsibilities. You can go through it once. If you are interested to apply for this position, so you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is s.yogita yogita at brunel.net, brunel.net. Next, there is a job opening for Junior Relationship Executive position from Muthoot Finance. It is for Rajahmundry location, Andhra Pradesh. So coming to required qualification details, you should have done graduation or post graduation in any discipline. So they are preferring for freshers and as well as experienced graduates. So inclination towards sales and marketing to develop their career in financial industry, and you should possess good written and verbal communication and fair knowledge in computer. So this is the job opening just before we discussed about this in Kakinada location. So same job opening is here also. So you can check in the official website link for more detailed information about this job position. Next, Andhra Pradesh Information Commission. It is located in Amravati. So it has released some job notification regarding for the post of secretary and also for assistant secretary positions. So applications are invited from the eligible graduates having good experience in office administration for the posts of secretary and assistant secretary. So for secretary position they are paying 56,870 to 1 lakh 5,810 rupees per month, and for assistant secretary position they are paying for, sorry, they are paying between 46,060 rupees to 98,440 rupees per month. So the candidates should be either in a service and reputation basis or from retired government employees of an equivalent rank on contract basis for initial period of 1 year. So it is a contract basis. It is for either so we can service candidates and or retired employees. It is a contract basis for initial period of 1 year. So interested candidates are both serving and as well as retired candidates. You can submit your resume with the latest photo to the secretary law on and before 9th April 2021 till 4 p.m. So for more detailed information about this job notification, you can check in the official website, that is www.sic.ap.gov.in. Next, there is a job opening for US IT recruitment. It is MNC, so it is only for night shifts. Both experienced and fresher candidates are eligible for this position, and you should be having excellent communication skills, and any degree candidates are preferable. So they are going to provide attractive salary and also incentives for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is rjyhr@taninfotech.com. So they have provided here the contact number, that is 994918 So this is the contact number to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can approach with the given phone number provided. It is located in Rajahmundry location. So next, there is a job opening for technician with furniture knowledge is required to work in Kakinada. So for this position, qualification will be ITI and a diploma. So local candidates are preferred for this position. So they have provided here the two contact numbers to approach them. First one 9248733114. Second number 9247887498. So these are the phone numbers. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are openings for bank daily operations, and second one for computer operator. For bank daily operations position, qualification will be 10th, and for computer operator position, qualification will be inter or degree. So the knowledge on MS Office is must for these positions. So age should be below 30 years. So it is for Kakinada location, and they are preferring male candidates for these positions. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9985114417. Next, there is a job vacancy for BCom graduates having knowledge of Tally, MS Office and GST to work in a Jayalakshmi Motors company. So it is for Rajahmundry location, and you should be having 2 years of experience for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is jlmgstacts@gmail.com, and they have also provided here that contact number to approach them. If you have any queries, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 99513 Next, there is a vacancy for lady computer operator position to work in a U Kottapalli location. So local candidates will be preferred for this position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given two phone numbers. First one 8897990688. Second number 7997131538. Next, there is a vacancy for BCom graduates with good knowledge in computer, tally and filling of GST returns to work in an office at T Nagar, Rajahmundry. So interested candidates for this position, you can contact with the given phone number, and you can send your resume to the provided number, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. The number is 9246649156. The mail ID is taxreliefrjy@gmail.com. So this is the mail ID. You can send your resume to the provided mail ID. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.